Welcome to the world of healthy and delicious eating. Today we are going to explore the amazing benefits of wheat and black urad dal sprouts dosa. You can call it as no rice dosa as well. Let's see how to make that. Here I have taken a cup of black urad dal and little fenugreek and 3 cups of whole wheat. Washed them very well and soaked it for overnight. The next morning you can see the cereals become very softer. To make them in an extra healthier way, I'm gonna make them into get sprouted. I have taken a colander and spread a damp wet cloth and add the cereals above it. You can cover it and leave it for a day or two to get sprouted. When you see the damp wet cloth is dried, you can sprinkle some water, cover it again and keep it in a darker place. Look at the black sprouted urad dal, how beautiful it is. Sprouts are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. They are a powerhouse of health and vitality. So try to add sprouts in your regular food diet. To make no rice sprouts dosa, simply add all the sprouted ingredients into a mixer jar or you can use grinder. Sprinkle some water occasionally when you grind the batter. Once you get the smooth batter, add some salt, mix it with your hands. Natural ease in our hands helps the batter to get fermented very quickly. After 4 to 5 hours, we'll get the smooth and fermented healthy dosa batter. Look at it, how soft it is. This is the perfect fermented dosa batter. Now cook the batter on a hot pan and spread some ghee or oil as per your requirement. To cook another side, flip the dosa and wait for some time. Watch as the dosa transforms into a crispy golden brown delight. Tada! Our healthy dosa is ready here. Enjoy your no rice sprouts dosa with any of your favorite tangy chutneys. Try it today and experience the difference.